Okay, we're going to focus on how to start a Moodle course from absolute scratch. So the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and log in to Moodle. And once you've done that, then click on the building that you work in. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom and you're looking for this Add a New Course button. Once you've clicked that, you're going to be in your settings of your new course. So you want to go ahead and give it a full name. So we'll call this testing, and we'll give it a short name of testing. And you don't need to fill out anything that's in this color here, this darker color. Summary you can leave totally blank. Now format, weekly format would be as if you're running a class that you're going to see every day. So your weekly format would be your Monday through Friday schedule. If that's not your desire, we would recommend topics format, and then you'll have different blocks or topics that you can start to create in. So if you wanted to use one block for math, one block for language arts, or one block for chapter 1, one block for chapter 2, etc. And here's where you set the number of topics. And a good start is usually about 5. Course start date, you can use that for whatever date. And then hidden things should be completely invisible. What this means is that anything that you hide by closing the eye, once you've closed that eye, your students and users won't even know there's anything there, which invisibility has its benefits. So I would choose hidden sections are completely invisible to your user, not to you, the creator of the course. The next thing that you need to look at is force theme, and that will give you the skin or the look of your Moodle course. So let's go ahead and choose let's choose back to school for this one. And then is this a meta course? Make sure that stays with no. Enrollments, enrollment expiration notification, you don't need to do that. Available, make this course available to students. Yeah. And then enrollment key. Now some buildings have different policies about the enrollment key. Prairie View happens to use enrollment keys. If we're designing something for our staff, the enrollment key is staff. If we're designing something for our students, the teacher chooses that one. So I'm going to call this one testing. And since this is the settings, if I ever forget what my enrollment key is, I can unmask it and it shows me my enrollment key. And I'll have to give that enrollment key to my students when they enroll in my Moodle course. And then always keep that at don't allow guests in. Don't force a language in case students want to change to a different language. Really your only choices are English and Spanish, but if you have a child that speaks better Spanish than they do English, don't force that. They could change the language. And then go ahead and save your changes. And once you do that, that will create your Moodle course. So let's save those changes. And then this is my theme here. This is what my class is the theme will look like. And now I need to click here to enter my course. So here's my course. Here are those 5 topics that we chose, and I can add as many things in each topic as I want. And then the settings over here under administration is where I would go if I needed to change what we just did. So here's back to where we set up our course. Now I could come back here and say, you know what, back to school is really not my thing. I'd much rather try binary waves. All right, that I think will be a better theme, and then I'm going to save my changes. And wow, look at that. That just really rocks out now. Okay, so that's how you set up a Moodle course from the start, from scratch. And now you can just go ahead and start adding your resources, or more importantly, adding your activities. And more to come about Moodle. Thank you very much.